In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam fatal error. Find out the Steam directory you installed. Then search for steam.exe. Right-click on Steam and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check on Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Press Apply and OK. Then see if the issue is solved. If it's not solved, then press Windows button and search for Internet option. Then press Enter. Navigate to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. Uncheck Automatically Detect Settings and click OK. Restart Steam and see if the error is fixed. If it's not, then find out the Steam directory you installed. Then search for steam.exe. Right-click on steam.exe, select Properties and copy the target path. Press Windows plus R button, type Run and paste the copied path. Add, add a space at the end and type -repair, then press Enter. Steam will run in repair mode and attempt to fix any issues. If it's not fixed, then I will highly recommend you to uninstall the whole Steam application and reinstall it again from the official website. So that's it. Now you know how to fix Steam fatal error. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.